Welcome to the Naviter Wealth Client Portal. Our firm uses Addepar, a wealth management platform that specializes in data aggregation, analytics, and performance reporting. When you first log in, you'll be directed to the home page, which provides a high-level snapshot of where your portfolio stands today. You can see the current value, return, which is calculated based on the dates up at the top, value over time, and broad asset allocation and sub-asset allocation. These asset classes are unique to Naviter. Every report you receive from our firm will use these same categories to provide consistent and clear messaging. If you click Views in the top right corner, you can dive into the portfolio in more detail. The first view, the holding account summary, shows the asset allocation, performance over time, and return metrics by entity. This demo portfolio has a trust and 2 IRAs. If you click into the trust, you will see several accounts listed below. Our firm custodies the majority of our assets with Charles Schwab. The other line items are the private investments that are held directly with the respective fund managers. Each can be dropped down and you can see the positions within the account. You can sort by any of the columns, and all data can be exported into Excel. The second view is the change in value, which shows where the account started and where it stands today. You can see the starting value, net cash flow, income and expenses, net gain loss, change in accrued income, and ending value. The columns can show the month to date, quarter to date, year to date, and inception to date figures. Similar to the holding account summary, the performance analysis shows return metrics, but rather than being grouped by entity, it's grouped by asset class and sub-asset class. For example, if you click into liquid alternatives, you can see the different sub-asset classes that qualify as liquid alternatives. And if you click into the sub-asset class, you can see the individual positions that make up that sub-asset class. The liquid alternatives view is used to help track the private investments. You can see the current value, valuation date, return, total contributions, total distributions, and the commitment values. Several of our investments are capital call vehicles, meaning that you fund the investment over time. This is a great view to see how much you have committed versus how much you have contributed. The tax document tracker is extremely useful for tax season. Private investments generate individual 1099s or K-1s. Naviter will collect and upload all tax documents to your portal, and this tracker allows you to see what we received and what we are still waiting on. We can also add your CPA to the portal so they can have access to the same information. With Addepar, we have the ability to track your entire financial picture, including any assets that may not be managed by our firm. The personal financial statement allows you to see your balance sheet at any given time. If you click into assets, you can see this demo client has several real estate holdings, outside investments, and personal assets. And again, if you click in, you can see the individual positions that make up that portfolio. The third tab up at the top, Files, is a two-way file system, meaning Naviter can upload documents for your review, and you can also securely share files with your team using the Upload button. The demo client has folders for archive reports, tax documents, and alternative investments. We also publish monthly performance reports and quarterly tax estimate summaries for estimated payments that you may need to make. Everything you saw today is customizable, from the layout to the metrics displayed. We are happy to make any changes that you may need or want. Feel free to reach out to our team with any questions. Thank you.